Welcome back. We can use a bar chart to visualize our data. And so basically, we can copy the information from Claude from our conversation. And we can head into our conversation. What we're going to do is we're going to ask Claude to create a bar chart from our data. We're going to use the logic that Claude gave us. What we're now going to do is we're also going to include that we want Claude to think step by step. And we're going to re-upload our data. Once we do that, we'll then click enter. And Claude will go through its process. And basically, we have the rationale as to why Claude created it the way that it did. And then we also have the visualization here on the right side. It may not be exactly the way you want. And so one of the things that you can do is you can publish the document. And by publishing, we will then have a document that we can come back to and iterate with in order to make it appear the way that we want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.